It's been so long since I took like a proper video on this one, and so many things has happened. Sa totoo lang, totoo talaga yung sinabi nila no, na if you would compare your past selves at the same timeline, like exact same time, different years, it's just going to be so different. April 2025, me wouldn't believe this. April 2025, me was enthusiastic because I have already gotten my application approved for the Instituto Franklin, my master's. Then I was also already waiting for the results of my licensure examination. So I'm like a month away from being officially a professional teacher. Sabi ko nga nun, Lord, kung hindi ako makapasa sa professional teaching license ko, then I'm still going to be grateful because you gave me the opportunity to pursue my profession in Spain. Kasi yun nga, 'di ba? Like nauna it was like a Valentine's gift last year, like February 14, naalala ko na naman. My mother was like, I was out on Valentine's Day. I had like a parang solo date last year. And like, I bought things for the house and she was like, can you grab some cake too? Bili ka ng cake because, let's just celebrate Valentine's Day as a family. So I went out and bought like a cake to share with the family. And when we were about to consume the cake, we were talking like about the day and how our day is. Just like a usual routine na pag nasa pagkainan, kukumustahin, ganun. Then I reached out to my phone. And there it was, my acceptance letter from Instituto Franklin. I never knew how much of a roller coaster my journey here would be. Upon acceptance, I was so enthusiastic. Oh my gosh, Lord. You have blessed me so much. You have granted my prayers. And then I realized, hindi ko na alagaan yung blessing ni Lord. Talaga, like, pinag-pray ko na, na sana Lord, i-guide mo kami na alagaan yung blessings na binigay mo sa amin. But, I countered it with my actions eh. Hindi ko inalagaan, like, myself. So, it backfired. Sabi ko talaga when that thing happened, syempre alam mo kung anong thing yung nag-happen na naging domino na ng lahat. I will prove them wrong. I will prove that person that I'm going to be successful. But what happened? I promised myself I'm going to be a lawyer. I'm going to be a lawyer either way. Because I hate. Oh my gosh, I think the bus is here. Wait, I think it is. No? That really is the bus. Fuck. Oh my. Later na nga. That's the bus. That's the bus. The bus is here. I'm gonna continue later. I'm eating my. Gosh, girl, what a day. Napadpad ako sa Avenida America. Hindi kasi nag-stop yung ano ng Guadalajara. I hate it. Why didn't it stop? Why didn't it stop? Why didn't it stop? Oh my gosh, the grammar is not deep. Kaya nga, like, then, pagkadating ko sa Avenida de America, agad-agad na, buti na lang paalis na yung 223 pabalik ng Alcala. So, yun, agad sakay. Oh my gosh. Grabe naman. Ay, katangahan ko na ba to? Or feeling ko katangahan ko eh. Always learning the hard way. Yan ang motto ni Shima. Always learning the hard way. Pero ano nga ba? Diba? Solutions. Yun lang naman. It's still April 14, 2026. And galing ako kay Kuya RJ to get some water. Diba? Like, sobrang layo just to get some water. Because a massive water pipe that runs through Guadalajara, Meco, Azuqueca, and Alcala is broken. So, in our part of Alcala, there's no water. Good thing I did an everything shower before going out to my private. Oh my gosh, what the heck is happening? Going out to my private classes. So I was able to drink enough water. I was able to clean myself enough. And I was able to wash my hair. So, I just hope. Oh, fast car. So I had to fetch because the water supply. Oh my gosh, ang dami, nakakaasar no. Like I always have fillers whenever I talk. Like my gosh. As I was saying, the water supply the water supply tank that provides on our area, I think it's all I don't know, maarte ba ako? I don't feel like it's clean eh. I feel like it's just something to wash yourself and not to drink. Oh my gosh, I'm so anemic, no? No, walang kulay yung bibig ko. Sobrang anemic ko na tao. Tapos sabi mo yun, pagod ako lagi. Yan, may mga nag-walk. Mga dogs nila. Ako, winuwalk ko yung sarili ko kasi ako yung dog. Diba? Haray ko. Ayun. But anyway, ayun. So I had to go to my friend's apartment, Kuya RJ, to get some drinking water. I brought my tumbler. And ako na talaga yung pinakamasipag magbiyahe. Because imagine I went to a 20-minute, I think, 20-minute bus just to fetch some water. Could you believe it? I don't believe myself too. But I have so much time to consume. I'd rather consume it doing that than thinking of things, Yun. Ayun. So, ayun naman. I'm planning on applying for IF again this year, but I don't know. It's like my mind is so unsettled. I have so much I want to achieve. And I have something that's like something undetermined. Like a verdict na hinihintay ko. And it's like, I don't know when it's going to happen. The given time to me is like 6 months to 2 years. So I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know, man. You know, it was so fun. No, not fun, but nakakagaan siya ng loob when I was able to talk to Attorney Bianca, and she was able to advise me on things, on the routes that I can take to solve my problems and the immigration problems. Because I intend to stay. There's no way. You know? Kukunin ko pa yung pamilya ko dito. You know? Ayun yung dream ko. Life of a diva? No, I'm diva. Girly pop. Ano ba? Parang brats ako na. I don't know. Abnormal na brats, you know. Like, alam mo, sino kausap mo? Nung I was a kid. When I was a kid, I was always labeled like, oh, abnormal or something like that, because I would always have this hyperactivity going on. Like, biglang sasaya, biglang ano. It wasn't something unusual when I was a kid, because sabihin nga nila, oh, bata yan. Of course, she's going to be active. They didn't know I was neurodivergent. You're raising a neurodivergent child, and you don't know. It runs in your blood. You know? Ayun naman. Mga parents ko kasi, mga grandparents ko, our lineage, they're undiagnosed. You know, undiagnosed. But yeah. Veros stories. Marami pa ring bus. Mga if I'm not mistaken, mag-alas 12 na. Ayos ako sa kwarto. Ay, nagsimula na naman kasi ako magkalat nung may mga nalaman na naman ako hindi ko kayang i-handle. The fuck? Alam mo, sweet girl naman ako talaga. Pero pag na-trigger, there's no way I'm a sweet girl. There's no way I'm a sweet girl. Sweet girl lang ako, ganun. Kalma lang. Totoo lang, kalma lang talaga. Pero pag ako nagalit na, ganyan na. Kasi naman, I always had resting bitch face. Even then. Especially when my ngipin wasn't fixed. My gosh, nasa ng enunciation, Shema? Nawawala na yung enunciation. Are you not an English major? Anyway, my gosh, my outburst. What the heck? Normal talaga. Anyway, what I'm saying is that noon, of course, I rarely smile when ayusin ang pagsasalita. When my teeth wasn't fixed yet. Kasi nga, I wasn't confident in smiling at all, and I'd rather put on a smug face. You know? And then, yun nga, like, I had my ugly duckling face. Like, how many decades was that? 1 decade? 2 decades? I don't know. And, you know, up until, like, college, I think, I suffered really bad breakouts. So it was bad, really bad. And I felt like, hindi talaga ako maganda. But when my friends started complimenting me, oh, you're beautiful. And I've always viewed them as super, like, gorgeous level. And those were the people that would compliment me. They would say, don't deny, like, don't tell na, uy, hindi naman ako maganda. Kung sasabihin yan. Sasabihin nila yun na, when someone, my gosh, nalobat na yung mic ko. When someone tells you or gives you a compliment, just say thank you. Because they really mean it. And I mean it. I remember it was Claire, really. That has boosted my confidence yan. Notable. And the first ever tao na nagsabing, genuine ako at mabait ako. Like, first ever na naka-appreciate sa akin after how many, like, after decades of people na sinasabi na, ang sama-sama mo, ang ano-ano mo. Sobrang palagi mo na lang kinokonsumisyon yung mga magulang mo or something like that. Like, the first ever human that has appreciated me for my kindness, it was Trisha. Sabi niya, ang bait mo kaya? I was like, really? Yung mga tao palang sa tingin mabait ako. Diba? Like, I was always labeled as that kasi na whenever, nanay ko kasi ay mabilis uminit yung dugo. Mabilis tumaas yung pipi. And I would always be the trigger. And my grandparents would always say na, sama-sama mo. Ikaw yung dahilan kung bakit ganun, palaging nag-worry yung parents mo, ganun. So, it was always inculcated in my mind that ako yung masamang tao, ganun. So, I never believed that I could be kind. I never believed that, I could be a lovable person. Yun. So that was like the insecurities that built up, alam pa yung kino-compare ako sa tita ko, sinasabi na, alam mo, para kang si tita mo na ganito, sobrang magmatasang tingin sa sarili, ganito lang. And I really hated being called that. Kasi nga, hindi naman yun yung gusto ko eh. O sige, pag na-trigger ako, something, of course, there's something in me that gets triggered. Pero, alam mo, yung pinaka-goal ko talaga in life was to help. Well, it still is my goal in life. Na gaya ng mga taong tumulong sa akin na makatungtong dito, tutulong rin ako sa mga tao. Like, in ways that I can help. As long as they're not abusing me. Yun naman. Ayun. Feeling ko full storage na ako. Parang nasa halfway pala ako ng lakarin ko. But it's so nice to walk, I miss walking with like another person. Busy na kasi sila Ate Jam. Alam mo yun, nakakaano kasi yung intimate kasi yung may usap ka habang naglalakad. Kuya RJ, Ate Jam. Ayan, natutunan din namin yun sa Masters. Ayun. Diba? Masaya. Maayos. Mabuhay. Kaya pa. Para sa pamilya. Para sa lifelong dream ng pagiging abogada. Para sa sarili. Inaalay sa Diyos. Sa mga taong naniniwala sa akin. Papatuloy natin ang ating pangarap No matter what. Kasi nga, baliw tayo. Ambisyosa tayo. Diba, Shem? Yun. That's life. Life is so beautiful. You know? Napakaganda ng buhay at you know, napakaganda ng mga blessings na binibigay ng Panginoon. Ayun. So, thank you, Lord. Yes.